I had a light, but it's not working. This is the light, by the way, that I use for a lot of my videos. This is the TikTok light, but it's not charged. We're just gonna have to get over that. Hi guys, today we're gonna do a little day in the life as a freshman college student. There's not too much to do today. I am gonna join my class online in about a few minutes. My room is very much a mess. For now, I'm just gonna do my skincare. Let me know if you guys want a little skincare makeup routine, and I'll make a video on that too. This is actually the mirror I use. It's a little dirty, but 10 out of 10 if you're going to college. It's like the brightest light I own. I don't even turn on the big light. This is all I have on most of the time. I have no idea what time it is. It's fine. This is actually the moisturizer I use. It's really good. The best moisturizer I've ever used. I'm not even kidding. It's honey based and super hydrating. Not to say it just because I'm doing a little review, but it really is. I used CeraVe for a while, and then I used Neutrogena. Neutrogena, I thought it was okay, but it kind of irritated my skin. It also comes with this little spoon that I don't use, but it's cute anyways. Then this is sunscreen. It is in a little travel pack because I've had this little amount for the past 6 months, ever since I was traveling. But it's the Supergoop normal sunscreen, just their default average sunscreen. I hear sirens every day on this campus. I wake up hearing sirens, I go to bed hearing sirens. There's at least like 3 a day. I am in the city. It's still very interesting to see how active it is around here. I think we're ready to join class. For breakfast, actually, while class is running, I'm gonna have little Hawaiian rolls with ham. The dining hall food is actually not bad at all. I just sometimes don't have time to go and get breakfast. I just would rather do something here. So I do this, and most of the time, I just drink one of these in the morning. I've had the chocolate one, the vanilla one, and the strawberry. The vanilla is my favorite. It doesn't taste like anything crazy. Like some people say it tastes like protein and powder and artificial. To me, it doesn't taste like anything but vanilla. I would recommend it, but if you don't work out, I would not recommend it because that protein, if you don't use it, it's going to turn into fat in this whole thing. I'm going to go ahead and join class, and I'll see you guys in a little bit. It's a beautiful day outside. I love looking out my window. I was blessed with a fantastic dorm. There's a few tour groups going around, which is always fun to see, actually.
I just posted an announcement right before class started, which the Canvas site is just doing weird things. I meant for this announcement to post right after our class. Let's think about this question for a minute. This is the type of question I think I get asked about most. Wait a second, where did this information come from? In this case, the question's saying, and for whatever reason, technology is really not being my friend today. There it is. To this. All right. So here's sodium.
This is my outfit for the day. Nothing crazy, just something comfy for the day. My chemistry class just ended, and I guess now I'm gonna eat breakfast because I didn't end up eating it during class because I was locked in. Oh, I'm actually gonna do a very quick little cleanup in my room because it's a mess. And I wanna show you guys my plants, but in order for me to do that, I have to clean up around them. Also, super good investment in college, this and a Keurig machine. Here at my school, they actually supply Narcan, which if you don't know, Narcan is a drug used to prevent and hold off opioid drug overdoses. Anyways, I just found this, and if you want to learn how to use Narcan and a little bit more about saving lives, go check out my How to Be an EMT video. That's a 20-cent euro coin, by the way. I have so many pumpkins in my room right now. I made this cute little one. It's supposed to be a dumb pumpkin, and then I made this one. This one's a real pumpkin. This one's a plastic pumpkin. There's another pumpkin that I have that I'm gonna give to someone that actually watches this YouTube channel, so I can't show it because it's a surprise. It's pretty similar to the dumb pumpkin. This is my desk. This is what I was talking about. I just got this hydroponic garden. Basically, these plants grow on the water that's in here and this light that turns on automatically every day. I love them with my whole heart. Dill is the fastest growing one. I planted this maybe a week and a half ago. Then we have Genovese basil, Thai basil starting to make an appearance. And then mint is also slowly making progress. And then we have parsley, which is also making an appearance. Then thyme. Honestly, I'm not too sure where thyme is, but that's okay. I have my little coffee, and I actually got the creamer and the ham I use for my little ham and cheese sandwiches in the fridge under my bed, if you didn't see that. I do have a mini fridge under my bed. I'm in an apartment that was supposed to be filled with 7 other girls. And it is a freshman campus dorm, except it's apartment style. But we actually ended up only having about 4 girls right now, so 2 of the rooms are empty. There is a big fridge and a kitchen, which I used to cook in, but I also do keep some of my stuff in the mini fridge under my bed. This is, I guess, gonna be breakfast. I'm gonna go watch Emily in Paris. Oh my god, I'm so sick. The campus sicknesses are not your average sicknesses. I have a few friends that literally got whooping cough, the type that you read about but you never really see. They got whooping cough a couple weeks ago. Anyways, I don't have whooping cough, I just have a cold, but still, it's very persistent. Back to Emily in Paris. I'll see you guys in a little. I actually had a few comments in my How I Got Into Medical School at 18 video about what BSMD I am a part of, what school I'm in, and it took me a little bit to decide whether I was going to reveal that or not, but I do attend the University of Cincinnati, and I'm in their well-known Connections program, which is just how they label their BSMD program. Being a part of Connections, I am also a part of the honors program at Cincinnati, and I absolutely love everything about the honors program, everything about the school, and everything about Connections. I'm gonna go more into detail in another video about the Connections program. I already made a video on how I got in and my techniques, and I'm gonna pin that down below. I'll also try to put it here. Go check that out. A lot of people really did like it. I think that's my most popular video so far. But yes, I was working on my learning portfolio for the honors program, which is a website that they make us make for ourselves, which highlights our experiences. I think the good thing about the honors program here is that you can do whatever you want. They already have pre-made experiences. You can make your own experiences, and experiences are basically just like opportunities that you either get through them or you make for yourself. I'm currently in the midst of doing 3 experiences I made for myself, or self-design experiences. One of them is actually developing this YouTube channel. Help me out and let me know what you think down below. Leave me a like or comment, whatever you prefer. Anyways, I could yap about the honors program forever because I'm an ambassador. I love being an ambassador. I love everything that I'm involved in on campus. But that's pretty much a little bit about me and my college and the honors program. Let's continue to what I was previously doing. I'm gonna go pick up a package that just came in right now. This is the campus. Super beautiful, although it is rainy right now. It was so beautiful earlier today, but I guess the weather here's crazy. Time to see what's in this box. I love unpackaging stuff because I always forget what I get. It was rainy when I picked this up. It's kind of wet and gross, but whatever. Another box. Like, who puts a box inside a box? Oh my goodness. How do I even begin? Holy crap. It's so hot in here. It's an air fryer. Nice. Oh my goodness. Remove for use. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. This is really cool. It comes with a recipe book. Cool. Anyways, thanks for watching my unboxing. The video ends now. No, I'm kidding. I'm probably gonna cook something. I did just eat steak and garlic bread, but I was too excited to take a picture. You're just gonna have to trust me on this. Also, shout out to the very beautiful sunset that I see every day in this dorm room. I literally love it here. Little update, I'm probably gonna go to the gym soon. I've been studying and watching Netflix. It's Friday, so I'm procrastinating a little bit because I know it's the weekend, but I have to lock in. I know I have stuff to do, so I'm gonna get that done before I go to the gym. Quick little update. I've been taking some notes on my biology class. I guess the gym fit is just this and some Nike Pros. And anyways, I got distracted because my air purifier that I have on my desk. By the way, you should get an air purifier if you're going to college. Super important, but not necessary. I was looking at it and I saw a little button on the side and I pressed it and this came out, and then I searched it up and you can actually add scents to it. And I thought, what if I add my perfume in there? I guess we're gonna try it out. This is the culprit. It's just the Sol de Janeiro fragrance, which actually, I know I'm pointing out a lot of videos in this video, but I do have a video rating these scents right here because I have quite a few. Anyways, I'm not sure. Interesting. I am gonna head to the gym right now, so I'm gonna go ahead and end the video. It's 8 o'clock right now, so it's already dark outside. I hope you guys enjoyed. This was a little bit of a random video. Usually my videos are a little bit more structured, but I was like, what? Might as well. I haven't posted in months. But anyways, I enjoyed making this video. Stay tuned for weekly videos in the upcoming weeks. And thank you guys for watching. Have a good one.